Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Miss Fortune. We'll start by understanding her basic abilities. Her passive, Love Tap, gives bonus damage when you hit a new target, which is great for trading. Double Up, her Q, is a powerful tool for poking enemies, especially when it bounces. Strut, her W, helps you move around the map quickly and boosts your attack speed for fights. Finally, Make It Rain, her E, slows enemies, setting up plays or helping you escape. Now, let's talk about core gameplay and itemization. As an attack damage carry, your primary goal in the early game is to farm minions effectively to build your gold advantage. You'll typically start with a Doran's Blade and one health potion for a balanced lane phase. Your first major item should be an attack damage mythic, followed by critical strike items to significantly boost your damage. Remember to always consider your team composition and the enemies when making your final item choices. Moving on to advanced play, Miss Fortune's ultimate, Bullet Time, is incredibly powerful. It unleashes several waves of bullets in a cone, dealing massive damage. Always try to cast it from a safe position, perhaps behind your front line, to ensure you can channel it fully. You can also maximize your damage by combining your Double Up with your Love Tap passive. Use Strut to quickly get into position for a kill or to escape a tricky situation. Finally, let's discuss teamfight strategy. Your positioning is absolutely crucial as Miss Fortune. Always aim to stay at a safe distance from the enemy's primary threats, especially those with crowd control. It's often wise to wait for their key abilities to be used before committing fully. Focus your attacks on the closest high-priority targets, and remember to stay close to your support or frontline for protection. Your ultimate can turn the tide of a fight if used correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.